What's up, guys? Today I made over $5,000 live day trading across 15 accounts. And I'm going to go ahead and break it down step by step exactly how I did that. So let's go ahead and start with the trade copier. Again, I use TradeSyncer. There's a link in my description. They have a free trial. So today, total P&L is $5,000 across 15 accounts. You can see here all 15. Let's see if we can refresh. Just refresh the data. Perfect. You see up to date. All right, let's go ahead and break down the trade. So you can see here, I entered a sell stop order on New York and Asia low. So I looked at the previous sessions. Super easy day. It's FOMC day, so I'm not really trying to stay in the market too long. I closed at a 1-to-1, and you can see it was perfect because price then reversed. So let me delete all of this and do the bar replay so I can show you exactly my thought process behind this. It was actually very easy. Let's go to 929. Okay, so this was yesterday's trades. Yesterday we were bullish on the morning, and then we started to reject and break out of this zone here, and then we pretty much stopped around this low, which became New York low and Asia low. Right, so I'm seeing that, and I can pretty much put a downtrend line, kind of like this. Okay, so I wouldn't want to take buys until we break this downtrend. So I had a buy stop up here. And then my sell stop, I looked at the previous sessions. I looked at previous New York and Asia. And I can see here that we have a support right here, which is Asia low, and then New York low. So your set, again, that's how I trade. Your session lows and highs, those are key levels. It's usually where you want to enter, because once price breaks those levels, it usually has a pretty big breakout. All right, so let me go ahead and put my sell stop, which was 47,560. That's where I entered. If we click play, let's go on the 3-minute. You can see that price pulled back, rejected off this trend line perfectly, and then came down to TP. So the moment that I saw price at 9:30 come up, reject off this trend line perfectly, and then start coming down, I knew, okay, that's going to break out. Let's go ahead and close at a 1-to-1 in and out before whatever happens later. Because again, it's FOMC day. I'm not trying to stay in the market too long. There's probably going to be kind of like a choppy open, and then we'll get some more volume later. But actually, both setups would have played out. So the buy setup actually played out perfectly as well, but I did not take that. I just take one trade a day, win or lose. And yeah, it's as easy as that. I mean, you just look at the market. What's the market doing? It looks like it's going down. Okay, so then I'm going to want to take a continuation trade with the trend going down. And then I would want to take buys once it breaks that trend. Once it has clear confirmation of breaking the trend. We have multiple session highs breaking, plus an hourly session, plus an hourly high, plus a trend line. I mean, those confluence all stack up. That's perfect, to take a counter trend trade. But along with the trade, when you want to go with the trade, just look at what's price doing. Okay, it looks like it's going down. You take sells. That's it. It's as simple as that. Trading, you got to keep it simple, man. The simpler you keep it, the easier it is for you, and the results will come much faster. But yeah, quick day today. Easy trade, easy money. Subscribe for more and join my free Discord. Links in the bio. Later.